In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile version of your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to make your site more visually appealing on smaller screens or simply aiming for a better user experience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, we want to access the Squarespace website editor. Make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and head over to the website section. Once you're there, locate the option to switch to mobile view. This is essential because the desktop and mobile interfaces can vary significantly, and your site might not look the way you expect it to on a phone. Now, with mobile view active, click on the section you'd like to edit. This could be any part of your web page, whether it's a header, a section of text, or an image gallery. After selecting the section, find and click on the Edit section option. This is where we start making real changes. You'll see a panel with several options. Click on the Design button. The Design button is crucial because it lets you change the layout and appearance of the section you're working on, tailoring it to look just right on a mobile screen. You might want to adjust spacing, alignment, or tweak any visual elements here. Next, make your way to the Background option. This is where you can change the section's background color, image, or video. It's an excellent way to add depth and personality to your site. Experiment with different hues or backgrounds that complement your content and enhance readability on mobile devices. Following that step, you'll want to explore the Colors option. Here, you can alter the color scheme of the section, making sure that the text stands out and aligns with your site's branding. Colors can set the mood for your visitors, so choose ones that match the emotion you want to convey. As you continue, focus on images. Click on any image in the section. A toolbar should appear, showing the Edit option. Clicking this allows you to adjust various image settings, such as cropping to fit better within the mobile layout. An effective crop can prevent images from being cut off or displaying awkwardly. Remember, after you've made these stylistic adjustments, hit the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you've worked hard on are stored and applied to your mobile site. Then, it's time to move on to text. Click on a text area that you want to revise. Once you do, hit Edit. This will open up editing options similar to a word processor, where you can format text, alter font sizes, or emphasize words as you see fit. Finally, don't forget to click Save the changes before wrapping up. This saves your hard work and ensures your mobile site looks its best. Congratulations! You've successfully edited the mobile version of your Squarespace website. Now your site is well optimized for visitors using mobile devices, creating a seamless browsing experience.